Have you ever wondered if you could make $1,000 a day just by sending emails? Sounds too good to be true, right? But guess what? In 2025, email marketing has become one of the easiest and smartest ways to earn big money online. Even if you're working from home, sitting on your couch, or even in your pajamas. So how does it all work? And what are the best ways to use email marketing to hit that $1,000 a day goal? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We share easy tips to help you earn online every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Let's start with something simple, building an email list. Think of an email list like a group of your biggest fans. These are people who want to hear from you. They've signed up to get updates, tips, or offers from you. Maybe you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a small online store. You offer people something free, like a mini ebook or a discount, and in return, they give you their email. Now imagine you have 10,000 people on your list. If just 10% of them buy something you recommend, even a $10 product, you've already made $10,000. That's the magic of email lists. You're not shouting into the internet hoping someone listens. You're speaking directly to people who already trust you. Next comes affiliate marketing, one of the best ways to make money through email. Here's how it works. You sign up to promote someone else's product. Maybe it's a fitness course, a new software tool, or even a digital planner. You don't have to create the product. You just send an email to your list, telling them why you love it and sharing your unique link. If someone buys using your link, you get a commission, sometimes 30%, 50%, or even more. So imagine promoting a $200 course and earning $100 per sale. Just 10 people buying from your email, and boom, you've made $1,000 that day. No need to pack boxes or answer customer questions. You just share value. Another powerful way is selling your own digital product. This could be an ebook, a guide, a training video, or even Canva templates. The cool thing is, you only make the product once, but you can sell it again and again. Let's say you create a $50 online course teaching people how to take better smartphone photos. You send an email to your list with a short story, maybe something funny or personal, and then you invite them to check out your course. If 20 people buy it in one day, you've just made $1,000. That's the power of having your own product. It puts you in control. Now let's talk about something really smart. Email newsletters with sponsors. You've probably seen newsletters before. They're short, fun emails people get every week or every day. These can be about anything: money tips, healthy recipes, tech news, or even memes. If you send a helpful and interesting newsletter, people will love opening your emails. And when you get a good number of readers, maybe 5,000 or 10,000, companies will start paying you to include a small ad or mention their product. These are called sponsors. Imagine writing one email and getting paid $500 just to include a small section like, "This email is sponsored by XYZ Tool." Now send 2 emails in one day and you've got your $1,000. Some people even get $1,000 from just one sponsor when their email list is really big. The best part? You're helping your readers and making money at the same time. Another fun way is by running email courses. Let's say you know something well, like how to grow a YouTube channel, how to cook on a budget, or how to take care of plants. You can turn your knowledge into a short email course. Maybe it's 5 or 7 days long. Each day, your subscriber gets one email with tips, steps, or a short video. And at the end of the course, you offer them something special, like a paid course, coaching call, or ebook. Since they already spent time learning from you, they trust you and are more likely to buy. Even if your product costs $100 and just 10 people buy, you're already at $1,000. And the coolest part? You can automate the whole thing. That means your email course keeps sending to new people every day without you having to do anything. Loving the video so far? If you haven't already, tap that subscribe button. It really helps us keep bringing you awesome content like this. Now here's something creative that's growing fast in 2025. Email marketing for small businesses. Many local shops, coaches, and even online stores want to send emails to their customers but don't know how. That's where you can help. You become their email marketer. You write their emails, send offers to their customers, and help them get more sales. In return, they pay you a monthly fee, or even a percentage of the sales they make. If you work with 3 to 4 small businesses and each one pays you $300 to $500 a week, your daily income can quickly pass $1,000. And guess what? You can do it from anywhere, even while traveling or sipping a smoothie at the beach. So by now, you can probably see the big picture. Email marketing isn't just about typing some words and pressing send. It's about building trust, giving value, and using smart ways to make money. Whether you're promoting someone else's product, selling your own, or helping other businesses, email gives you the power to talk to people directly and get paid for it. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about one more powerful method: email automation with funnels. This might sound like a big word, but don't worry, it's really just a smart system. Think of it like this: when someone signs up to your email list, you don't have to email them every single time by hand. Instead, you set up a chain of emails that go out on their own. Day 1 might welcome them, Day 2 shares a story, Day 3 gives them a tip, and Day 4 offers a product. All this happens automatically while you're sleeping or eating lunch. The funnel gently takes someone from just reading your email to trusting you to buying from you. Once you set it up, it keeps working every day, so you could be walking your dog or watching a movie and you'll get a message: you just made a sale. That's how some people make $1,000 every single day on autopilot. Now let's bring everything together. Maybe you're thinking, but I don't have a product, I don't have a big email list, I'm just getting started. That's totally okay. Everyone starts somewhere. The best part about email marketing is that you don't need to be famous. You just need to be helpful. Start small. Maybe you create a free guide and share it on social media to build your list. Or maybe you join an affiliate program and write one honest email a week. As you grow, your income grows too. And guess what? Most of these tools are either free or very cheap to use, especially when starting out. One important thing to remember is this: email is not just about selling, it's about helping. When people open your emails and feel like they've learned something or laughed or felt inspired, they will want to hear from you again, and when they trust you, they'll buy from you. That's when the real magic happens. The money doesn't come from tricks or pushing people, it comes from connection. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just looking to make more money in 2025, email marketing gives you a real chance. You don't need fancy tech skills. You don't need a big team. All you need is a voice, a message, and a little bit of effort each day. You can sell, teach, share, and grow all from your inbox. So what's stopping you? If others can make $1,000 a day by writing a few emails, why not you? The tools are ready. The world is listening. Your journey can start today, with one email at a time. If this video gave you even one new idea, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. We've got tons of simple, powerful ways to grow your income online, and your support means everything to us.